How to share a Word document from laptop to phone. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to show you a very easy way on how you can share your Word document from laptop to phone. So let's just dive right into the video. So all you need to do is open up your Word document first, the one that you want to share from your laptop to your phone. After that, go ahead and save it onto your device once you've made up your project in your Word. So you need to save it up onto your storage of your device. You can go to this browse and save it onto your device wherever you feel like you want to save it onto your device, like whichever storage location. For now, I am going and selecting this one right here, which is documents. So you can also place it wherever you want and save it onto your device. Once your document is saved onto your device, the next step is you need to head over to messaging app, which is also available onto your phone. You can go to the link option and select up this document option from that chat. And after that, you can go ahead and locate up your file, your document that you made in Word, and click open. After that is done, your link will be pasted here. So go ahead and click on send, and when you go ahead and open it up on your device, you should be finding the same Word document that you have sent from your laptop. So that is how you basically share Word document from laptop to phone. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.